Cosmic Brief, your guide to the universe.
What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning for just 5 seconds? Not forever, not a full day, just 5 seconds. It sounds short, almost harmless, but in planetary physics, even a moment like that would be catastrophic. Right now, Earth is spinning at about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. We do not feel it because everything around us is moving at the same speed. The atmosphere, the oceans, the buildings, and our bodies all share that motion. But imagine the solid Earth suddenly stops while the atmosphere and oceans keep moving. Everything not firmly anchored to bedrock keeps going sideways at full rotational speed. Air, water, vehicles, loose structures, and most surface objects would continue moving eastward at hundreds of miles per hour. The result would be instant global supersonic winds, not normal storms, planet-wide horizontal shock waves of air. Cities would experience extreme wind blasts stronger than the most powerful hurricanes ever recorded. Trees would be torn out instantly. Aircraft would lose control. Anything not structurally reinforced would be shredded by lateral force. Now consider the oceans. Water has mass and momentum. When the ground stops but the oceans keep moving, coastlines would be hit by massive eastward megasurges. Not traditional tsunamis from earthquakes, but rotational inertia tsunamis. Walls of water racing across continental edges. Some regions would see the ocean temporarily pulled away, while others would be violently flooded. But here is the surprising part. Gravity would not change. You would not float. Earth still has the same mass. The danger comes from inertia and atmospheric motion, not loss of gravity. During those 5 seconds, satellites and the moon continue normally because they are not tied to Earth's surface rotation. Space itself does not care about the spin. Only surface systems do. Then, after 5 seconds, Earth starts spinning again at the same speed as before. That restart is the second disaster. Everything that was displaced keeps its new momentum. The ground begins moving again underneath air and water masses that are already in chaotic motion. You now get collision of motion systems. Turbulence layers smash into each other. Secondary shock fronts form. Think of it like slamming a moving conveyor belt under a storm that is already in progress. The atmosphere would become violently unstable. Pressure gradients would spike. Lightning activity would likely surge. Global storm systems could form within minutes. What about humans? Anyone indoors in reinforced concrete structures might survive the wind phase. People outdoors in vehicles or near coastlines would face extreme danger. Flying debris becomes the primary threat. Most injuries would come from impact, not falling. Would the crust crack? Probably not from 5 seconds alone. Earth's structure is incredibly strong, but localized quakes and landslides would be likely due to sudden stress redistribution. Now, let's look at a deeper layer. Earth's rotation also shapes our planet slightly. The spin causes a small equatorial bulge. If rotation stopped long enough, water would slowly redistribute toward the poles. 5 seconds is too short for full redistribution, but measurable ocean slosh effects would begin. Timekeeping systems would also be disrupted. GPS, navigation, and orbital calibration models assume smooth rotation. Precision systems would need recalibration. Here is the key scientific truth. Rotation is not just motion. It is stored energy. Earth's rotational kinetic energy is enormous. Interrupting it even briefly would release effects across atmospheric and oceanic systems. The reason this scenario is so destructive is not duration, It is velocity. 5 seconds at zero spin means 5 seconds where inertia is free to act without shared motion reference. Fortunately, in real astrophysics, a sudden full stop like this cannot happen without an unimaginable external torque, far beyond any natural process near Earth. No passing asteroid, no solar event, no known force could do this instantly. But as a thought experiment, it reveals something powerful. Planetary motion is not gentle. It is massive, energetic, and deeply connected to every system we depend on. We live safely inside constant motion, and we only feel calm because everything moves together. If Earth paused for 5 seconds, calm would disappear instantly. Would you rather experience the 5-second stop or the 5-second restart?